What's going on, pet lovers? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best robot vacuum cleaners for pet hair in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these vacuums, feel free to check out the links in the video description. And with that said, enjoy the slideshow. The first robot vacuum that we're going to show you today, coming in at our number 5 spot, is the Ecovacs DEEBOT OZMO 930. Coming up next at vacuum number 4, we've got the eufy RoboVac 11S Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Coming up next at number 3, we've got the Ecovacs DEEBOT 500 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Next up at number 2, if you've got a lot of pet hair, we've got the Neato Robotics D7 Connected. Last but not least, in our number 1 spot, we've got the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus. Alright, pet lovers, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which robot vacuum you ended up liking the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos just like this one.